In association with NFED Business Facilitators Forum, NBFF, a strategic action unit of National Foundation for Entrepreneurship Development, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So on behalf of OTBI and Presidium of NFED, I heartily welcome Shri Arvind Kumar IAS, Vice Chancellor, and Dr. Gopal Reddy, Registrar of Osmania University, Professor Ramachandram Sirandas, CEO of OTBI, Dr. C. Srinivasalu, In charge Director of OTBI, and KVJ Professor Dr. R. Ganesan, Founder and Chair, NFED Business Facilitators Forum, and Founder and Chairman of National Foundation for Entrepreneurship Development, NFED, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I also extend my warm welcome to the OTBI Board of Directors, team members, facilitators, and presidium members of NFED and executive members of NBFF. Business incubation has been recognized as an important tool for job creation and economic development. Many agencies of Government of India are supporting technology business incubators primarily in and around academic, technical and management institutions to tap innovation and technologies for venture creation by utilizing expertise, infrastructure and innovation already available with the host institution. Osmania Technology Business Incubator is an initiative of Osmania University to provide innovation and startup ecosystem and to encourage startups and nurture new enterprises. It is established as a center of excellence under the RUSA 2.0 program of MHRD Government of India. It is governed and managed by OU Idea Labs Foundation, which is chaired by the Vice Chancellor and administered by the Board of Directors along with the Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Registrar, Finance Officer, and other members. The key services that are provided as part of the incubation include mentoring and advisory with technology, business, marketing, and financial areas, access to universities' infra, academic, mentor, investor, industry and alumni network, business advisory services ranging from plan assistance to successful execution and assistance with company registration, IP, legal, patent advisory services, and research labs. National Foundation for Entrepreneurship Development is a unique organization which is predominantly into promulgating entrepreneurship cult across the nation. NFED was established as a virtual organization in 2003 and registered as a trust in 2013 with its headquarters at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It primarily aims in creating enterprising communities at large in schools, colleges, and universities through its training and development activities, faculty development programs on research and entrepreneurship development, workshops, national and international conferences, and seminars. We have instituted numerous programs towards promulgating entrepreneurship development, career development, employability skills, research publications, women empowerment, etc. So NFED frequently engages in research and development activities by publishing research articles, book chapters, and edited books on holistic research, which congregates the disciplines like engineering, technology, sciences, management, arts, and humanities. NFED Business Facilitators Forum, a strategic action unit under National Foundation for Entrepreneurship Development, was initiated on 7th November 2015. NBFF aims to bring in an entrepreneurial climate through encouraging youths and interested individuals to vent into entrepreneurial activities by providing the facilitative platform for fulfilling their business aspirations. Furthermore, NBFF functions as interfacing plank for enhancing their motivation and inclinations to become prosperous and potential entrepreneurs. In addition to this, it also insists on business growth through the concept of interdependence by creating channels and integrating entrepreneurial talents for collective existence, sustenance, and survival. So with this, I now request Dr. C. Srinivasalu, in charge director of OTBI, to deliver the welcome note.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. At the behest, I would like to thank the NFED for collaborating with us in conducting this particular program. As far as the Osmania Technology Business Incubator is concerned, we have been in place for a couple of years, but the physical infrastructure, when we scaled it up to the university level, it is being developed. And in next 1 month's time, we would be ready with the physical infrastructure. And the whole vision and mission behind the Osmania Technology Business Incubator, Madam has already, given you a brief about what exactly we are doing. But I personally, as the person in charge for the Technology Business Incubator, I would like to inform all the participants that we are encouraging the research backed and research based entrepreneurship uh, uh, you know uh, programs. We are also trying to bring in the ecosystem, much required ecosystem for incubation that was lacking in many of the traditional university systems. So these are the two important things that we have, at the back of our head when we started this particular incubator. Now, according to the national education policy, the new policy, now the emphasis is more on kind of, creating job providers rather than job seekers. And this at the same time has been emphasized on making more and more of our students and our primary stakeholders uh, becoming more innovative. Most of the time we have seen that in traditional setup, these platforms were lacking, and we had been trying to encourage more and more people, faculty, as well as students and research scholars to get into this mode, so that we would be having, more contributions in terms of uh, things that are uh, palpable and things that help us practically rather than theoretically. So this particular program that we have planned was directed towards the faculty. Mostly there are faculty members who are participating, and I see that there are a couple of research scholars also who have, joined. And then we have about 38 participants. 10 of them are from the government degree colleges. 5 of the faculty members are from my own campus colleges over here, and 23 faculty members are from the private colleges. So I see that it is a kind of, good response, although it was a very on short notice. We have sent the program details and all those things, and we expect that in future when we are conducting more programs, more and more participation would happen. Um, so the business incubator is trying to get connectivity or get connected with the various colleges where the entrepreneur development cells are needed to be, formed, and we are trying to train the stakeholders, the faculty members, to take up activities at their level in their own colleges and in their own setups. So I'm very happy on behalf of uh, the board of directors of Osmania University Idea Labs Foundation, uh, the managing director, Sri Naveen Mittal sir, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sri Arvind Kumar sir, the registrar of the university, uh, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, and the OSD to Vice Chancellor, Professor T. Krishna Rao. On behalf of all these eminent personalities who had been behind us, who had been supporting us and encouraging us, I welcome all of you to this, week-long faculty development program, National Faculty Development Program, which is, as you are aware, virtually being conducted in collaboration with NFED. And I would like to extend my warm welcome as well as gratitude to my directors and my advisors who are with us today, as well as the team from NFED, Professor Ganesh and all the other members. I'm sorry, I'm not able to, get your names, but all the other members who are with us. I'm thankful to all of you, and I hope that in these next, 6 days, our participants are going to get benefited out of the expertise that the members, the faculty members are going to bring to this particular program. Thank you very much once again for being with us, and I hope all good is going to happen with respect to no technical problems we might be facing and all such kind of things, and hope that you are going to learn many things during this program. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I now request Professor Dr. R. Ganesan, founder and chairman of NFED and chair NBFF, to deliver the inaugural address.
Yeah. Good afternoon to all of you, and respected Vice Chancellor, Registrar of Osman University, and in charge director, CEO, and advisors of OTBI and the team, and all the national participants of today's program. I am glad to be before you to give the inaugural address for this today's program. Well, if you talk about entrepreneurship in general, it is a multi-faceted skill which one has to possess to become an entrepreneur. You cannot say a unique skill is attributed to become an entrepreneur. That is not possible. So that is why we kept a program for 6 days with a different genres to be covered to understand the volume of entrepreneurship. And our program is focused more on how to become enterprising, because entrepreneurship is the next stage to become an entrepreneur. If you want to become an aspirant to become an entrepreneur and all, the next stage is possible. But the former stage of entrepreneurship is to become enterprising. How you become enterprising in your domains. That is very, very important. So and NFED is already into this sort of an activity for a very long time. That is our objective, is to create entrepreneurial cult across the nation. And NBFF is focusing more on targeting the individuals and aspirants to get into this sort of enterprising activities. There are so many things we have trained, so many sessions we handled in the last very many years, and so many colleges we addressed on this entrepreneurship. And this is the finest program I can say in terms of FTP, which has been proposed by OTBI to do this program with the NFED. That means we are going to handle the teachers who are teaching this subject in their curriculum framework, whether it can be a sciences, whether it can be a technology or arts and humanities, that how you teach this entrepreneurship across your disciplines of your regular program and inspire the audience, inspire your students to think about entrepreneurship, to become an entrepreneur or to engage in an entrepreneurial activity. That is our core objective of this FTP, which we are going to do. And beyond that also, we are thinking about research scholars who are inspiring to have the startups, as rightly pointed by Dr. Srinivasulu. That is how these research students are going to become entrepreneurs or startup owners in the upcoming years, or in the ensuing years. They are going to do that. So that is the second aspect of this program. That is, maybe they become a faculty in future, or they can be an entrepreneur in future. There are two possibilities. And for the faculties, you're going to become enterprising faculties in your domain areas, and to foster this, promulgate this entrepreneurship across your teaching fraternity. So all the students. So these are the two things which are going to do. And in doing so, what we are going to find, this is a first trial and error program we are going to do, is this OTBI, and we are going to see that how many faculties are going to have this inclination. So we have planned a program for 6 days. The first day is going to be on orientation, on the mindset, and followed by consecutive sessions and different verticals of entrepreneurship, and to give the idea of the holistic perspective of entrepreneurship. On the end of the day, you should be in a position to know what is entrepreneurship all about, and how to take this sort as an opportunity in your career and build your career becoming a faculty of entrepreneurship, to teach the students and to engage in TVA activities, as he has rightly pointed, and also to get the projects and foster this entrepreneurship cult across your colleges, your respective colleges. Because I think all the faculties are also from the Osman University affiliate colleges. So obviously this thing will be the end result. So with this short note, I once again welcome all the FTP participants of today's 6-day online program on National FTP to pay your attention to the fullest possible extent, to know all the gamuts of entrepreneurship. I wish you all success. Jai Hind.